Yeah, good job, Tom. Whoa. Grab him, grab his tail, grab his tail.
I caught one.
You caught one? Awesome. I love you. My wet little boy. We are going to the Alaska Zoo.
Oh.
This is not a salmon you want to eat. My wife here, the beautiful artist, was painting. Well, it's 5 in the morning and I've been awake for the last 2 hours because my sister and my youngest child snore like lumberjacks and we're all sharing a room.